What if you could start a freelancing business from home and outsource the work you don't want to do while you focus on clients and income? In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how attendees of our upcoming training are doing exactly that. You've seen dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and courses great ideas, but long learning curves. There's a simpler path. Launch a client service business using skills you already have or borrow the skills of others and still deliver amazing results. Join the live presentation, How to Start an Online Freelancing Business from Home and Outsource Most of the Work. It's eye-opening, interactive, and action-packed. You'll see exactly how beginners and pros are building profitable service businesses without needing to fulfill every task themselves. The system you'll learn comes from the Freelancing Genius program by Alicia Little, a coaching business expert with ongoing training, tools, and live guidance. It helps you launch in 2 complementary ways. A. Use your own knowledge to serve clients directly. B. Freelance flipping. Take client orders, then hire a vetted fulfillment team to do the work while you manage quality and communication. Most students mix both for speed and scalability. Clients don't buy tasks, they buy outcomes. Your job is to package an outcome, attract the right clients, then fulfill it, either personally or through trusted providers. This model starts fast, no heavy software or fancy websites required, scales flexibly with outsourced help, builds real income in a growing freelancing market. Freelancing Genius gives you a clear step-by-step plan to start your own online business, strategies to earn unlimited income in freelancing niches, ways to monetize skills you already have, methods to leverage other people's expertise for delivery, shortcuts to eliminate long learning curves, ongoing group coaching and support, access to a Rolodex of fulfillment providers so you're never stuck. This isn't a lecture. Expect live participation, simple exercises you can complete during the session, and real student success stories that show what's working now. You'll leave with a practical action map you can implement within a week. We'll walk through, pick a profitable service people already need, package it into starter, growth pro offers, book calls with a 1-page offer and a simple outreach script, fulfill via SOPs either you or your outsourced team. If you want a business, you can run from home and the ability to outsource the work so you can focus on clients and growth. Click the link below and register for How to Start an Online Freelancing Business from Home and Outsource Most of the Work. Spots are limited. Join us and bring your questions. We'll build this together. Ready to launch smarter, faster, and with support? Tap the link, save your seat, and I'll see you on the webinar. Results depend on your effort, offer, and market. This is not financial advice.